Named in honor of the House of Faudoas, this suite commemorates a family whose destiny was inextricably linked to the French crown. Its history traces back to the winter of 1789, when the union of Justin de Faudoas and Louis XVI was celebrated in the Tuileries Palace, graced by the presence of King Louis XVI and Marie-Antoinette as official witnesses. The room further honored the memory of Justin's sister, Eléonore de Faudoas. Though the family once stood in the golden light of royal favor, Eléonore's arrest at Canisy in 1794 served as a poignant epilogue. A playful letter written in Faudoas' wit was all it took to turn the royal prestige into a tragic revolutionary cost. While it once held a Cinq-Sabbat bathtub, a replica of the one where Marat met his end, today the space offers a warmer sanctuary. The bath has been replaced by a magnificent copper tub, handcrafted in the historic workshops of Villedieu-les-Poêles, blending ancestral French craftsmanship with a profound sense of comfort.